Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you check to see if a page is indexed in your Google Search Console? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First up guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check to see if your page is indexed using Google Search Console anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing blogs, sometimes you're going to upload a lot of different pages into your website, and you want to see if it's being indexed inside of Google. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check a specific page to see if it's been indexed in Google, here on the top left, make sure that you're working in the correct property or website. Once you've chosen that website, scroll down until you see this button right here, indexing. And as you click on it, it's going to open up. Next, you want to click on pages. Okay, so once you click on pages, you're going to see these two options, not indexed and indexed. So normally what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and uncheck not indexed and then click right here, view data about indexed pages. Okay, once you do that, you can see that this particular website has 34 pages indexed on Google. And we can just scroll through and then see if the page that we're looking for has already been indexed. Now you can see it's only showing 10 results. So what you're going to do is go ahead and open up right here and then just click on 500. And that way it's going to show the majority of your website pages if you have more than 4 or 500. Now, if it's not showing up, that means it's not indexed by Google. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on pages. Once you click on pages, you're going to scroll down and you can see why the other pages are not indexed. So you can click into each one of these. So for example, page with redirect, and we just scroll down and then you can look to see which page is not indexed on Google. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to check to see if a page is indexed on your website with Google, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.